Well, Mommy got one. You want to open it? I don't want to open it.
You don't know who it's from? Here, I'll take that.
My thing's lovely.
It's all the fruit.
Um,
Go ahead.
what?
Go ahead and open it.
Oh, it's down there.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Man. Balloon. Balloon. It's not just balloon. It's balloon.
Hey, can you read this?
Mom, I know.
Can you read this?
Mama, you got it for us. Mom, you are going to Mommy. Mickey Mouse in Disney World.
Can you read that? Okay.
Well, Mickey's here from here.
Today.
Today.
Did you get that? It says we're going to see Mickey Mouse in Disney World today. You too. We'll take you too.
Are we really going to Disney World?
We're really going to Disney World.
Today?
Today.
We're
We're really getting in the car and we're really going today.
I thought we were going to Mama!
You need your stroller. We'll take a stroller.
I thought we